Hello, John McAfee here with my first mixology class in many months. Today we're going to make the Bahama Grandmama. First thing is coconut water. This is fresh squeezed from a gentleman on the street out here. Just a dash and a few tablespoons. All right, you're going to get that luscious, smooth, incredibly tasty coconut flavor. Next, red roll. I know many of you do not like it. I give a shit because it goes in here. Then, I'm using a 12-year-old Scotch. Why? Because that's going to piss off every Scotch drinker among you. Nevertheless, why am I using a 12-year-old Scotch? Because I can. Now, pour a liberal amount in here. There we go. Not much. Then, I would recommend Mr. and Mrs. T's, well, whiskey sour mix. Just a dash, not much. Just a dash. Then, we need something to stir with. It does not matter what that item is. Stir. And add ice. Stir again. Here you have the Bahama Grandmama. Oh, motherfucking hell. One of the best drinks on the planet. Good luck and good night from John Mack.